Hi guys, in this video I will take you through what you need to completely avoid in makeup and thereby save yourself from blunders. Now several people unknowingly commit these errors and wonder at the end of it as to what possibly went wrong. So I will just take you through a few pointers that could hopefully lessen your struggle and keep you more satisfied. So number one is to avoid copying makeup videos you see on social media blindly. Now I will not deny that some of these beauty videos on social media are stunning and the way they transform their looks appears like nothing but pure work of magic. But do keep in mind that every face morphology is different, every skin color and every skin type is different. What works on one face may not necessarily work on the other. For example, there are some videos which show layers and layers of foundation being applied on the skin. You may not really need that much quantity. Simply apply as much as you need. Look into the mirror and judge for yourself if you're on track. Another example that I can think of for myself is of the winged eyeliner. Like for me personally, it just looks too evil and loud on my face, so I don't do it. You can of course experiment with the looks you like in your free time, but ultimately stick to what your heart gives an okay to. Okay, can I please take a moment and wear my glasses because yeah, my head hurts without that. Sorry. Now, second mistake you need to avoid is choosing the wrong color of foundation and concealer. Now, this is a very critical mistake which people make. And trust me, if your foundation or your concealer shade is wrong, nothing, absolutely nothing about your look will fall in place. A wrong shade could lead to oxidation, which means your face will just look gray, or it would just give your face a very shabby or a very cakey look. Hence, make sure that you have the correct shade in place and a product type which suits your skin. If you're a beginner, I'd suggest you spend some time in sampling different foundations and choose the one that is closest to your skin type and your skin color. Also remember that foundations are not for you to look fair. They're only meant to provide coverage and enhance the look of your skin. Now let's move on to lipsticks. Now you can go all out with colors, but do keep your skin undertone in mind while you do that. Determine if you have a cool, warm or a neutral undertone. So in case you have a cool undertone, choose colors which have hints of blue or purple in them. If you're a warm undertone, choose colors which steer more towards hues of orange and red. And if you're neutral, be happy you have best of both the worlds because you have a wide range of colors to choose from. Now, point number 4 is keep the weather of your city in mind. Right, how weather dominates all our fashion choices, so makeup choices are no different. So yeah, like how can I explain? So for instance, yeah, matte lipsticks in colder climates would, sometimes make your lips flaky. Similarly, glosses could, just melt away in the heat. So sometimes you have to just take a call depending on how hot or cold it is outside and move forward from there. Number 5 is know where to apply what. By this I mean you should know which product to apply on which part of the face. So the highlighters applied strictly on the higher areas of the cheekbones. Blush cannot be all over the apples of your cheeks. Contour better end, a little far away from the lips, else it just gives a very beard-like look. So these little things go a long way. In the same breath, you should know where to stop. Overdoing anything will mess up your case, like overlining the lips. It looks very haphazard, and if you have a meal later, the product could just smudge more from there. Similarly, if you overfill your eyebrows, your face looks too overbearing, and at times you just have a very mean look on your face. So just make sure that the proportions are right enough. And of course, then there are little things that you can do, like take care of the lighting under which you're doing your makeup. Poor lighting will not help your judgment, and things may not entirely go well from there. And yeah, lastly, balance the harmony of your colors in your look. You could follow the less is more mantra and stick to minimalism, or just play like with that one loud color. So choose your colors wisely, and you should be good. So yeah, these are my makeup don'ts and a few do's. Do let me know how it rolls for you in the comments below. Bye.